Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everyone. This is another phase, or should I call it another part of HIGD training. So I welcome you back. I welcome you back once again. So in today's lesson, or in today's video, we are going to be talking about ebook creation. So how you can create an ebook, okay, for any purpose, okay, your desired purpose, okay. So these are the outline that I'm going to be making video on, okay, one by one. So these are the outline, these are the things we are going to take a look into. So while creating ebook, that's the first question. And secondly, discover the best title for your ebook, okay. Now generating content, ebook cover, okay, and mock-up, and also compilation of the contents. So that's all we'll be treating. Firstly, let's talk about why creating an ebook. So there are many reasons for creating a book. Okay, for creating a book. Meanwhile, basically, creating an ebook is meant for educational purpose. Basically, okay, you can create an ebook for educational purpose. Okay, if those you want to educate. Okay, if you can't reach them physically, so you can have an ebook. You can create an ebook. So in order to educate them, it can be in the form of in the form of text. Okay, it can also be in the form of slides, okay, and so on. So it can be in any type. So once it is it is an ebook, okay, so it is something they can access on their phone, so without the need of you getting them the hard copy. So that's the first proposal. Secondly, okay, you can use an ebook for to generate leads, okay, as a lead generation tool, okay. You can even call it a lead magnet, okay. So I'll be explaining the meaning of lead magnet, lead magnets or lead generation in my WhatsApp training that will be coming up after this training, inshallah. So, and also you can also use it for marketing. So you can also use it for marketing. So there are marketing strategies. There are strategies of using ebook, okay, specifically to generate, sales, okay, to enhance your marketing campaign. So that is that about that. Now, discover the best title, okay, for your ebook. As you know, when you're writing an ebook, you must have a title for your ebook. A title that when everyone sees it, when anyone sees it, they know, okay, this ebook is about this particular niche. It solves this problem, okay, and so on and so forth. I don't know if you understand. Now, how do you generate title? Okay. Now, if you are a copywriter, so that skill, it's an high income skill. So you can use your skill to generate your best title. Okay, the best title for your ebook. That's okay. But if otherwise, if you are not an expert in copywriting like me, okay, so you can always reach out to, you can always get the help of artificial intelligence. So how do you generate compelling and magnetic title for your ebook? So let me quickly walk you through that process. So I'll go to my app, my chatbot. So you can also use ChatGPT, okay, if you have mastered, if you know how best to use ChatGPT, okay. But as for me, this particular app is more simple than ChatGPT because ChatGPT is a little bit complex. So that's the reason why most people, when they use ChatGPT, so most of the time they are not really satisfied with the answer that ChatGPT gives. Okay, most of the time. Why? Because they don't get the prompts. So ChatGPT is you can only enjoy it the best by using the right prompt. If you get the prompt wrong, then it's going to give you anything. So it can make the outcome or the answer generic, and most of the time you want it to be specific. That's why you narrow down, you detail your information very well for you to understand. So here I am. So I want to find um the best title for my ebook. Okay, let's say I want to write an ebook on car dealership. Okay, we all know car dealership is an high ticket business. Okay, it's an high ticket business. When we say an high ticket, it means something that is not a 5,000 naira product. Okay, we're not talking about 5,000 naira products. We're not talking about 3,000, 2,500 naira. No, we are talking about something that ranges between 500,000, okay, 1 million, 2 million upward. So that's what we're talking about. Now, for you to make a sale, it's going to require some extraordinary effort. Now, so I want to write an ebook on car dealership. Okay, targeting the car dealers, how they can increase their sales. Okay, how they can get more customers every week. Okay, in order to make their marketing campaign in order to make it more reasonable, okay, and get more conversion. So the very first thing I want to do is to generate my title for that ebook. Mind you, when you are generating title for your ebook, make sure the title you are using is compelling enough. Okay, a title that is going to hook them down, that when they see it, they'll be like, I must get this ebook. For example, now you want to write an ebook on let's say on WhatsApp marketing. Okay, on WhatsApp marketing. Now you need a title for your WhatsApp marketing campaign. Sorry, for your ebook. So for example, you can say, okay, this ebook, I'm going to title it WhatsApp marketing hack. Okay, WhatsApp marketing hack. People will be like, okay, you can equally say WhatsApp marketing secrets. You see, so there is no one that will hear that with the word secret, that will not want to, okay, secret, surely this is a gist, I must know what is there. Okay, so it's going to make them want to know what is inside. So that is what we are talking about. So let me now use my ChatGPT, my chatbot. I'll say, okay, for me to be more specific, I'll say, okay, I'm writing, okay, let me say you are a you are now okay you are now a um copywriter. Okay, I want to make the AI a copywriter, so I'm telling him to act as a copywriter. So let me use it that way. Let me say, act as a copywriter. Act as a copywriter. Okay, write me write or generate, any of the two. Generate 10 different compelling and um hot title for my ebook, you know um targeting car dealers, on how to increase their sales. Guys, this is a prompt. Firstly, I'm asking this AI to act as a copywriter and also to generate 10 different compelling or title for my ebook, targeting car dealers, on how to increase their sales. Let's try it out. Let's see the answers it's going to provide. What the fuck? Oh my god. Yes, guys, so the other app is asking me to update it, so that's the reason why I've moved to ChatGPT. So I've copied the text, so let me just paste it here. Just paste it here. So let me see what's going to give me. Let's wait for the result. it's generating. Here we go. See how amazing ChatGPT is. You can see the very first one: rev up your revenue, the ultimate guide for dealers to skyrocket sales. Look at this. You can see how amazing this like. You can see how amazing the results are. So accelerate your profits, proven strategies for dominating the car sales game. You can see, very impressive. There is no one, either those who have been in the business or a newbie that is just joining the business, or someone who is who is just willing to join the business, this car dealership business. There's no way they are going to see all these topics. If I choose anyone now, and write an ebook and make it the title of the ebook, so there's no way they are going to see this, that they are not going to want to see what is inside, because this niche is something very new. People are just reaching out to this niche these days, so it is not a rampant niche. So the third option there, the sales surge blueprint, boosting your car dealership bottom line, drive success, a roadmap to remarkable sales growth in the auto industry. So this is everything. This is it. So what you are going to do now is just to choose only one. Okay, is to choose only one. Let me now give you one tip. You can still go further. You can still go further and tell ChatGPT to choose the best for you among these 10. Let me show it to you. I want to show you how amazing ChatGPT can be. Now it has given me these results now. Now from all these results, I may choose one, okay, that will not best fit what I want to use it for. So I will now consult ChatGPT from all what you have provided. Okay, choose the best that can, that is more compelling. Let me say, choose. Let's say, from the above suggestion. From the above suggestion, I'll say choose the best title that can trigger action. I'll now say oh sorry, I've sent it. I wanted to put it under it that, okay, if there is adjustment, do not hesitate. Okay, if there is adjustment, you can see the title that cannot effectively trigger action is that can most effectively trigger action is accelerate your profit, proven strategies for dominating the car sales game. You can see. So ChatGPT is amazing if you know how to use it. Now see, this title conveys a sense of urgency and promise of tangible results through the use of the word accelerate and proven strategies, which can motivate car dealers to take immediate action and explore the strategies outlined in your ebook. You can see this is just amazing. So this is how to generate an ebook title with ChatGPT. And I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, if you like what I teach, so kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends. Till I drop the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.